everyone! Look at this pond! Ready for an amazing adventure? Great! Let's see how I grow!
I'm Dippy the Dragonfly. Let's explore my life cycle. Follow me on this fun adventure. It's going to be amazing.
Egg stage. Duration 7 to 14 days.
This is a mother dragonfly releasing her eggs in the water.
Eggs attach to aquatic plants or sink to the pond bottom, and development of eggs happens underwater. Egg stage 1 to 2 weeks.
Hatching. Larva emerges.
After egg stage, tiny larva breaks out of the egg, begins life fully underwater and starts feeding almost immediately.
Nymph stage. Longest stage. Duration 6 months to 5 years.
Lives underwater the entire time. They eat mosquito larvae, small fish, tadpoles, etc., and most species 1 to 3 years. Incredible.
Final molt preparation. Last 1 to 2 days of nymph stage.
Welcome! Let's see how this nymph grows. Through its first molt, it grows bigger and stronger. With each stage, its body transforms.
Emergence. A wondrous transformation that unfolds over 1 to 3 hours.
The mature nymph emerges, leaving the water behind. It climbs with purpose, droplets marking its path. A transformation begins.
Wing expansion and drying. Wings harden before first flight.
A dragonfly is breaking free from its old exoskeleton. Its wings are unfolding and expanding. Now it is free. And this is the story of my life.
Hello, little dragonfly, in the pond where waters lie. From a tiny egg so small, you grow and grow. Wow, that's all! Swim, swim, splash, splash, grow, grow, change, change, then wings go. Flap, flap, dragonfly, hooray! In the water safe and slow, little nymph says, watch me grow. Changing clothes, 1, 2, 3, getting ready to fly free. Swim, swim, splash, splash, grow, grow, change, change, then wings go. Flap, flap, dragonfly, hooray! Climb up high, feel the sun, stretch your wings, flying's fun. Up you go into the sky, hello, hello, dragonfly. Swim, swim, splash, splash, grow, grow, change, change, then wings go. Flap, flap, dragonfly, hooray! Swim, swim, splash, splash, grow, grow, change, change. Love the earth